Well, it's not a trip out west without ripping some lips.
We're gonna destroy them.
We are gonna destroy.
I put the bobber way
They
down
don't even
low.
know what's coming.
No, that's not what I meant.
They're gonna be drinking water all day.
Historically, any fishing trip I've decided to film for this channel, I've never caught a fish. But with good conditions, some nice boats, and some expert guides, I was wishfully optimistic. Soon enough, Danny caught a fish, Devin caught a fish, Corey caught a fish. There we go.
Let's go! Yeah. Let's go! First fish on the board, baby!
And for the first half of the trip downriver, I don't know if I could confidently say I got a bite. But we pulled over at one point and did some casts wading through the water. There we go. That's right. My first catch fly fishing.
Let him go and watch him swim away.
And that's all I needed to get hooked.
Very cool.
You will catch me fly fishing on this channel again.
Now do it like 20 more times. All right, I'm putting this in the...
Caught a fish.
What you got, boy?
Oh, yeah.
All the best things that I've seen, and all the most wonderful views, all the best sights that I see with you. All the best nights I never slept, all the days I'm holding on to.
Now we're going to the back country.
While taking in a beautiful sunset, we grilled up some good bison and elk burgers.
Our journey has come to an end. But wait, what's this? A young Daniel performing the ritual dance of his ancestors.